So, welcome back. Hi. Sorry about that break.
Middle of the winter, I pull up in a vert. It's the middle of December, she pulled up in a skirt.
That sounded like a SEALs mating call. Alright, so as you guys saw by the title today, I'm gonna be going from a stressed, depressed, really just overwhelmed college student to I'm trying to access the inner Mrs. Claus in me. I'm trying to bring out the festive, Mariah Carey in me. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you guys one of the looks that I'm going to be doing for either Christmas or Christmas Eve. Because I am the Beyonce of the family. So the first shade that I'm going to go into for a transit, y'all see me moving. I don't know if I put the clip in, but like the sun is a little too bright today, and like it's at a weird position in my room, and like it's gonna blind me if anyway, I'm in a corner. So the first shades I'm gonna go into always is Ada and Zulu as a transition shade. And I'm gonna put this in right above my crease. I want this smoky eye to go out like that. I don't know if I even mentioned the fact that I'm doing a smoky eye. Update. I'm gonna try and do a really, easy smoky eye half cut crease with glitter. I literally cannot see and have not been able to see for about 3 weeks now. That was cute. That was very sexy. So now that I've placed Ada and Zulu in more in my crease and above my crease, as my transition color, I'm gonna go ahead and take a blending brush and go into my Morphe 35W palette. Is that what the beauty gurus do? They put it up to their face and they're like, so I'm gonna go into this dark brown color right here. I hope you guys can see it. Honest to God, can never tell. I can't explain the specifics. The ocean. Oh wow. I think I lost track as to what I was doing. I've literally been sitting in silence for 12 minutes. Mrs. Claus doesn't listen to ads, sweetie. You got the wrong bitch. I'm gonna mix the brown and a little bit of black, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. My world is changing. I'm rearranging. Does that mean Christmas changes too?
Street executives. Middle of the winter, I pull up in a vert. It's the middle of December, she pulled up in a
Oh wow, this is actually blending a lot better than I thought it was blending, but it's still not like James Charles level. Let's not get crazy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm gonna use this really, really small concealing brush, and I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 45 Tan. Now listen to me. Me even just saying that, you're probably like, I'm sorry, what? What color is that? Yeah, 45 Tan. I picked up the wrong shade at Walmart. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and stack some. I'm gonna go into this Sephora color Wonderland book palette thing, but I'm going into like a gold yellow shade to match like the yellow gold glitter that I have coming. Update, your girl is back, lashes on. These are Lilly lashes in the style Rome. Fun and fresh. Let's get into the face. You know, now that I'm really feeling like the Beyonce of the family, let's just fuck it up. Oh, I need the primer. Do I need a primer? I need a primer. Oh, I don't want to put on a primer. I can't even lie. This primer feels so good going on. I literally do not know if this is my shade or not. In some light, it looks like my shade. In other light, most light, it does not. So now I'm going to go into my True Match Lumi foundation. I don't have a cool undertone. I have a warm undertone. And this gives me not the right undertone. So once you look a mess, like I do, now we're gonna go into our wet beauty blender and just blend it all out. I don't know if this is gonna blend right. If I'm being honest with you, my arm is fucking tired, so I'm gonna use my brush. So to highlight my face, I'm gonna go into this I literally cannot read at all, like not even a little bit. I'm gonna go into my L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable, what is this? Multi-use concealer. We're back after a crisis, the crisis of 2018. Yeah, but we're back, you know. Last night took an L, but whatever, I bounced back. I literally forgot the words. So, welcome back. Hi. Sorry about that break. Yeah, let's do lips. So for lips, I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. At first, it's gonna be clear. Just a clear lip gloss. And then over top of that, just a little bit in the middle, I'm gonna go in with just a top coat lip gloss with just a little bit of gold in it. I think this is it. So this is the final look all put together. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Tease you when you sleep. That's creepy. Again, creepy.